Alright, I think I'll go downstairs. See how my brother is doing.
I think I'm gonna go upstairs and see how my brother's doing. That's all.
Wait! Good day. I'm just coming downstairs to check on you, little man.
Hey, I ain't no little man.
Do you want a strawberry? Do you want one? Answer me.
Yes.
Too bad they're gone. Speak up, little man. I can't hear you.
You're going to die for that.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I ate all the strawberries.
I told you you would die for that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Are you going to shoot, little man?
No.
What? You will stay me?
What?
Are you afraid of the cops?
What?
You afraid of the cops?
Nah.
Are you afraid of the S.W.A.T team?
SWAT doesn't bother me.
Yes, it does.
You're out of ammo, buddy.
You know what, Sam? I'm going to call the S.W.A.T team on you. I'm going to call the SWAT. You know what I'm doing right now? See? I have my phone right here. See? Ah. Oh, yeah, I have ammo now. Yeah, I'm getting my phone to turn on.
Die! You ate all my strawberries. You ate all my strawberries.
Here it comes. Here it comes. My phone's about to turn on. My phone's about to turn on. Just watch it. Wait, are you ready? My phone's on. S.W.A.T. Call.
Die. You kidding me?
You know what SWAT team? SWAT team is this a SWAT team? Hey, stop shooting for a second, okay? Stop shooting for a second. I need to call the SWAT team, okay? SWAT team is this a SWAT team? Hey, SWAT team, I need you to come over to my house and get your stupid little brother away because it's annoying me. Kill me. Alright. SWAT team, help! SWAT team. No, that's not what SWAT team's coming for. SWAT team's coming for you. Might be up there. Stop right there! You're under arrest.
Oh, my brother did get that SWAT to come.
Yes, I'm the SWAT. Put your hands up. You are under arrest.
Let's think again. Super!
No! I hate smoke bombs. I hate them so much. Smoke bombs. Curse them. Why, you're under arrest. For being a stupid little brother, you're under arrest. Oh.
No, I'm not. must die!
I am the real SWAT.
Ouch! Show me!
Oh, I have proof. See? Wait, just 1 second. See, I'm the SWAT. SWAT, right there.
Protect us!
I'm gonna arrest. You are under arrest. According to the law, stupid little brothers are not allowed. You're in here, aren't you? No. You want to put you in here? I know you're in here. Come out wherever you are.
I'm not there. I'm right here.
Okay. Look. Put your gun down. Okay, I put it down. What do you want? Oh, no.
Oh, dummy! That's O.P. SWAT gear.
You're still a stupid little brother.
I knew it was you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Okay, point the gun somewhere else. No, not there. Okay, well, I'll give you a $50 McDonald's gift card.
McDonald's?
Yes.
Hand it over.
Okay. Here we go. I'm handing it over. 3, 2, 1. The little tiny jolt works. Guys, you have to subscribe before he comes back. We are going to start a new series, these Nerf battles, where we use modded Nerf guns. This is going to be modded. You have to subscribe so you can see me mod this little tiny thing. It's amazing. With the mod, it'll be even better. Before he comes back. Before he, respawns. Or before he becomes a zombie. I think you need to subscribe. I gotta get out of here. Bye!